Unraveling the mystery, understanding, ascertain the truth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock its secrets together. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit formal but is incredibly powerful in its usage: ascertain the truth. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's important in both written and spoken English. Let's get started. At first glance, ascertain the truth might seem like a complex phrase, but it's quite straightforward when we break it down. Ascertain is a verb that means to find out something with certainty or to make sure of something. So, when we talk about ascertaining the truth, we are talking about the process of discovering the real facts of a situation. It's about digging deeper, investigating, and confirming the facts to understand what is truly happening or what has happened. Ascertain the truth is not just a phrase, it's a critical thinking skill. In a world full of information and misinformation, being able to ascertain the truth is more important than ever. Whether it's a news report, a historical event, or a personal matter, getting to the bottom of what is true helps us make informed decisions, form accurate opinions, and avoid misunderstandings. It's a fundamental part of problem-solving, research, and communication in both personal and professional contexts. Using ascertain the truth in your communication can add a layer of seriousness and importance to the message you're trying to convey. Here are a few examples. In a professional setting, you might say, "Before we proceed, we need to ascertain the truth about the project's status." In everyday conversation, you could use it more informally. "I'm trying to ascertain the truth about what happened at the party last night." In academic or research contexts, stating, "Our study aims to ascertain the truth behind these phenomena," emphasizes the rigor and intent behind your work. Understanding and using the phrase, ascertain the truth, can greatly enhance your English language skills, especially in formal communications, academic writing, and situations requiring critical analysis. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to ascertain the truth and why it's a valuable skill to develop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.